It is time for another property tour with your host, Alex Maloney, aka America's Realtor. And this home, y'all, is by Grand Homes. And it is an inventory home. 100% available. Look at that. Awesome front entrance. And even better, double staircase, baby. Just how we like them in Texas. Everything's bigger and better in Texas, baby. That's right. And we are in, y'all. We are so in. Holy smokes. Little living area right there. And we got an office. And while we stroll around, y'all, I am going to tell you the specs of this newly listed inventory home in Kings Crossing. So we are in Parker, Texas. Like I said, this was built by Grand Homes. And real quick, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to this channel to inform everybody on the hot Texas real estate market. And this, y'all, is a little wine room. Love this. Hidden wine room. Love it. And your dining area. So let's get back to the specs real quick. So this is 4612 Canterbury Court in Parker, Texas. 8 beds, y'all. That is right. That is wild. So 8 beds, 8 baths, 4, yes, count them 4, fireplaces, 5-car garage, and this is sitting on 2 acres, y'all. 2 acres. And this was just complete, so it is a 2024 build. It's not really complete, as you can see. You can pick out some stuff that you need to do, but it's pretty much complete. And the square footage is 8609 square feet. This is one of the biggest Grand Homes I've ever been in. That's for sure. Probably the biggest, to be honest with y'all. So we'll see in the backyard too. There's a good little area for the pool. And like I said, y'all, this is in Kings Crossing. And it is PLANO ISD, so it's Parker, Texas, but zoned to PLANO ISD. And just a lot of space here, y'all. A lot of space. Master bedroom. And let's go back out here. Sorry for the people. They're having a little showing, but we're just strolling on in here. Totally okay if people are in here checking it out. Don't mind me, y'all. And that is a very modern front door. I love that. And y'all, let's take a look upstairs. You deserve it. You deserve every bit of this tour. We got their hardwood flooring up here. Floor to ceiling. Fireplace. Stack stone, baby. Just to look at that real quick. And we got a bedroom. Let me turn this light on. See if I can. There we go. Good full bath. Little closet right there. Very open, y'all. Grand Homes does a very good job keeping it open. And we got another bedroom here. Or, I mean, you can make that a study area. Here we go. A lot of people, so this room, you can do a study area, right? It's got your French doors, balcony right there. You can also put a Peloton in there. Some of my clients have put that in there, and it's just a great location right there. Nice view while you're working out. And we got another bedroom here with a full bath. Stand-up shower. And a good sized closet over here. Pretty big closet, definitely for an upstairs bedroom, that's for sure. Y'all, you can make this a game room if you really wanted to, too. So many possibilities in this floor plan. The house is so big, you can really just do whatever you need to do. Whatever fits your family's needs or your single needs. And I think this is more of, yeah, probably more of a game room for sure. You can put a little poker table there. You can do a pool table here. Have a nice view. Look at that covered patio. We'll get there in a little bit. And we got a wet bar. Yeah, so this is definitely a game room, without a doubt. And your media room, 100%. 100%. You can put chairs there, projector screen. I can see it now, y'all. I have great vision for this. French doors. Put the screen on the wall right here. And it looks like you got another way out. It's like a maze, y'all. Another way down. Secondary staircase. And holy cow, we have another balcony. Wow, you have 2 balconies up here. Just got it open, sorry about that. So yeah, 2 acres, y'all. This is country living, baby. Love it. We need to put a pond over there. So yeah, you got dual balconies. Very crazy. And let's go back up over here. And what do you know? Another bedroom. Holy cow. Got 8 of them. Count them up. Good sized closet. And back over here, we got a full bath. Another one. If you have a large family, this is definitely the house for you. Contact me for sure. We can see if we can get you a good deal on this. And this is a large and in charge balcony. Super big. It's already got lighting in it. See, there's where you can put the pool right there, guys. Right by that lower balcony, the other balcony right there. Put a nice pool there. And full disclosure, it is in a flood zone over there, so you cannot put a pool back there, but you could put one right where I recommended one. And we will get to that in a little bit when we go outside on the lower floor. And let's go back inside, y'all. Here we go. There's a lot of character to this home, y'all. Soaring ceilings, bay windows, balconies everywhere, Juliet balconies. There we got a double staircase, 8 bedrooms, if I haven't mentioned that. Wild, y'all. Wild for grand homes. It's probably the only 8 bedroom in the entire Metroplex for sure. By grand homes. And let's get another look over here. That's your dining room. Grand entrance. And your living room with that fireplace, nice cozy fireplace. There we go. And let's look at the kitchen real quick. Got a double oven with that microwave. We're gonna come over here real quick. This is another bedroom, y'all. And you got a full bath with a door that leads out. Very, very nice. And that's a good in-law suite, to be honest. And prep kitchen. Here we go for all you food connoisseurs out there. Holy smokes. There's the sales rep. She's a great, great lady. You guys need to go meet her. And we got a laundry room, baby, with the sink. And we got a mud room, and that's the other way up, which we saw previously. And sliding glass doors, baby. Let's get outside. Let's absolutely get here. Hold on, it's having a little trouble. Just just telling us to go use this door. Here we go. So right here, y'all, covered patio. Got another fireplace. That's your fourth fireplace. And it is indeed gas. And this is where you can put the pool, right here, y'all. Here's another covered patio over here, and it extends, y'all. Holy cow. And I just want to thank y'all for tuning in to today's property tour. Please hit that subscribe and like button to inform people on the hot Texas real estate market. And I will see y'all on the next one.